Now let's see this question. A tiger takes 3 leaps for every 4 leaps of a deer, but 2 leaps of the tiger are equal to 3 leaps of the deer. Then compare their speeds. So here if you observe it, there are two things given. One is tiger's leap and other is deer's leap. So leap means in one jump, right? So in one jump tiger will be able to cover some distance, but in one jump deer will be able to cover a different distance. So let us say the amount of distance that tiger will be able to cover in one leap is, assume that it is x, and similarly amount of distance that deer will be able to cover is, let us assume that it is y. Okay, you can either assume x meters and y meters, it doesn't matter here. Okay, and now they are saying that this one, so 2 leaps of the tiger are equal to 3 leaps of the deer. So which means 2 leaps of the tiger means 2 into x is equal to, here see this, 2 leaps of a tiger are equal to 3 leaps of the deer. From this I am writing 2x equal to 3y, right? So from this I can say x by y equal to 3 by 2. So this is what I got. Okay, and now if you look at the first one, a tiger takes 3 leaps for every 4 leaps of the deer. So what does it mean? Now if they have to cover some distance, right, or let's say they are trying to cover some some distance in some time. So in a given time, let us assume that the given time is t. If tiger is taking 3 leaps, deer is taking 4 leaps. That is the meaning of it, right? So which means in a time which is constant, tiger will be able to move 3 leaps. So what is the leap of a tiger? So one leap of the tiger is equal to x distance, right? Therefore tiger will be able to move a distance of 3x. And what about deer? Deer will be able to move a distance of 4y, right? Now these two will be different depending on the speed in which they are going. Now we have to compare their speeds. If we assume that, so this is the distance covered by the tiger, let us write dt, and this is the distance covered by the deer, let us write dd, and in a given time, right? Now we have to find out the ratio of their speeds. Compare their speeds means ratio of their speeds. So what is the speed of tiger is to what is the speed of deer, right? So st by sd. Now how can you find it out is, now observe this, we know the formula d equal to speed into time. Given that time is constant, speed is directly proportional to distance, or distance is directly proportional to speed. Now in this we want to use the rule that speed is directly proportional to distance. Therefore speed of the tiger is to speed of the deer will be equal to distance covered by tiger divided by distance covered by deer. Now what is the distance covered by tiger? In this time distance covered by tiger is 3x. And what is the distance covered by the deer? Distance covered by deer is 4y. 3x by 4y, right? Now it is 3 by 4 into x by y. Now what is the value of x by y? We already found out the value of x by y is 3 by 2. So if you substitute it here, 3 by 4 into 3 by 2. So which is 9 by 8. So 9 is to 8 is the ratio of their speeds. Only thing you should be able to understand in this question is a tiger takes 3 leaps for every 4 leaps of a deer. So what does it mean? By the time deer finishes 4 leaps, tiger is able to take 3 leaps. So understand this, by the time, which means time is constant in both the cases. If I let deer take 3 leaps, let us say tiger, right? Yeah, if I let tiger take 3 leaps, in that time deer is able to take 4 leaps, right? So what does it mean? The time is constant. Once you understand that the time is constant, then only you will be able to understand that speed is directly proportional to distance, and from that you will be able to get that, right? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay, IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.